my channel. My name is Cassandra and today I have a new guest. What's your name? Okay, what are we gonna do today? Slime. In today's video, I'm gonna make a little bit of science experiment and we are gonna try to make slime, right? He loves slime, so I tried to find a way, an easy way and cheap way to make slime. So I searched for some ingredients and the easiest way that I found to make slime was school glue. I found it from the dollar store, and some shaving cream and Tide. These are the three main ingredients. So we're gonna start putting the glue in the bowl. On the side, we have food coloring that we want to color the slime, and also we have some glitter. You have to wait, okay? And you will know when the slime is ready because the bowl will come out clean. This is what I'm talking about. See? See, the bowl is coming out clean. Okay. So the slime is kind of liquidy, so to make a little more firm, we are going to add shaving cream. Do you want to put the color in right now?
Yeah.
What color do you want to put?
Blue.
Blue? No, coloring, food coloring. Okay, you want to put glitter? Actually, it turned out pretty good. Okay, so now we're going to add the shaving cream. You can add any shaving cream. fun while?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you like making slime?
Yeah.
What is your favorite part of making slime?
Hurt to see.
Oh, touching it?
Yeah. Because this.
It feels weird, but actually it's weird but in a fun way. I don't know how to explain that. This is good for stress relief and so you can make your kid occupied. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, let me know in the comment box below and I will make more science experiment with this little man.
Oh no.
So yes, I will end up this video because I have to clean up all this mess that I made. So that's all that I want to show you guys. I really hope you liked the video. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my crazy videos. And there will be more coming, right?